Yeah, hi everyone. So last session, what we did actually, we we done with the topics like set up the author instance, and second one is set up the publish instance. Next, establish the connection between establish the connection between connection between author instance and publish instance, author instance and publish instance, and we did like we created the content. That content we push from author instance to publish instance. Publish instance. So this is the assignment which I given, and this is the thing last session we did right. Okay. Okay, fine. Next up, today we try to understand the terminology of the AEM. Meaning there are different consoles available in the AEM. So regularly, I would say when we are working with the AEM, so regularly we will use the consoles. So today concept name is consoles in AEM. There are total 6 consoles in the AEM. First one is the sites console, and the second one is the page editor. Guys, am I audible?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Now coming to here, where actually, yeah. So there are 6 consoles available in the AEM. What are the consoles? First one is the sites console. Next one is the page editor, and third one is package manager. Package manager, and fourth one is assets console, and the fifth one is I would say CRSTE, CRSTE, and the sixth one is system console. System console. There are 6 consoles available in the market. Sites console, page editor, package manager, and assets CRST. What does it mean CRST? CRST meaning content repository. CRST meaning content repository extreme development environment. Extreme development environment. Environment. CRST means content repository extreme development environment. Okay, there are 6 consoles. There are 6 consoles. So what is the purpose of sites console, which is used to create the pages? Normally website generally contains many pages, right, where actually we can create the pages by using sites console. So there are other 10 as well. We'll see one by one. So the basic we are trying to understand the basic purpose of each console. And there is a second console page editor which is used to add the specific content to the page. Specific content to the page. Okay, fine. Next we have the package manager. Package manager meaning, so our project is the microservice oriented, like meaning big project we can divide it into multiple modules, right? In our project also we have the different modules. There are modules like UI frontend and UI apps and UI config and UI content and all. So these five, I would say front end data, we can make it as the package. That content we can move from one server to another server, one server to another server. So in any real-time scenario, so basically there are different environments will be there. So wherever we created that server is called, that is called dev environment. Dev environment. Dev environment. Dev, I can say dev environment. So after that dev environment where actually, so the developers they can implement the I mean the business logic, or they can uh, create the content in the dev environment. Once they added, and that our data will move from testing environment. There is a testing environment. Testing environment. So their testing people will be there. So they will test that. They will test the pages. So here also it will work everything okay. Then it will move to pre-live. Pre-live. So here stakeholders will be there. Stakeholders will be there, and so what they will do. So whatever the requirement they given by the client. So the developers also did the same way or not. They will check. So here also they can also convey, meaning they are also okay with that uh, the our project. Then finally it will go to the live. Then finally it will go to the live. Okay. So this is called production or prod environment. So this is the generally dev environment, testing environment, pre-live, and I would say okay. So generally now, so if any content, if you want to move from here to other environment, the content is related to these five modules, then we can do as the package. We can make it as the package, and then that we can push the content from one environment to another environment. Here to here, here to here, here to here, here to here. How we can move? We can move the content by using package manager. So the thing here is which is used to move the content from one environment to another environment, another another environment. Okay, next up. So assets meaning images, videos, I would say audios, and some documents and documents. These all comes under the assets. So here the purpose of next coming to CRXT. CRXT meaning content repository system. Content repository extreme development environment. Extreme development environment. Extreme development environment. Okay. Now, which is used to which is similar to database. Like in AEM, if you add image, if you add video, everything will be stored in the format of node. Okay, all nodes will be available in the CRXT. Okay, so which is used to store the all nodes, are called store the data, which is similar to database. Data means in the form of nodes, in the form of nodes. Next, bundle, system bundle. So this is all our, we will keep the front end data. So we have the back end business logic we can write in the core module, meaning so core contain all Java classes. So these Java classes we can make it as the bundle. That bundle you can deploy into the AEM server. That bundle timestamp and the bundle you can check in system console. So here, which is used to, which is used to track the progress of bundle, progress of bundle. I hope you guys are clear. Like I hope you you guys are got the clear clarity. Like the purpose of sites console, the purpose of page editor, the purpose of package manager, the purpose of assets, the purpose of CRXT, and the purpose of system console. The purpose of system console. I hope you guys are clear with my statements. Okay. So now today what we can do, we'll go with each one, like how we can, we'll see like how we can create the pages and what are the options are will be there and what is the terminology of it. We'll try to understand one by one. So how we can open the system console. So first I will go with the sites console. So next heading is sites console. So how we can open the sites console? You can open the sites console, local host 4502 aimstart.html. You will get navigation page. So in the navigation page you can see the sites console, you can see the sites console. So there actually localhost 4502 am start.html. See, localhost 4502 am start.html, and there is a sites. If I click on this, yeah, you see here localhost 4502. This is the navigation. This symbol is the navigation symbol. This is the tools. When you will be on the navigation, there is a this one. There is a sites. We are discussing about the sites, right? There is a sites console. There is a sites console. Okay, fine. Go inside. So actually, we have the project. The project is V retail, right? This is the V retail product. For example, anywhere I want to create my own page. So under EN page, I want to create my own page. Go to the create, select the page, and any template you can select. Select that one, and I would like to create the page that is Apple page. Create. Done. Page is created or not? Yes. So this is the purpose of the page. What? How we can create? So go to project hierarchy. This is called the hierarchy of the project. My project name is the Veritel, and wherever you want, go to hierarchy, Veritel project, and go to hierarchy. Hmm? Hierarchy. Okay, fine. Now the same scenario I can show you through PDF as well. You will get the better background. Where actually I would like to open, go to that one, open with yeah, see how many consoles we have. There are 6 types of consoles. Sites, page editor, next assets console, package manager, CR instance. You got like the basic clarity on like purpose of each one. Now we are going with one by one. Okay. So first sites console, which is used to create the page. See here, navigation, sites console, and there is a, go to the project hierarchy wherever you want. Go to that project hierarchy and click on create. Select the page and give the name of it. Give the page name and then select that one. Okay. Same thing. Coming to here, I'm going to here. I would like to go. On this one, you will get the options. Create, edit option. Create meaning edit option, properties, lock, unlock, copy, move, quick publish, and then manage. So we'll try to understand one by one. For example, go to any page. So what is the page name? iPhone 16 Pro. The page name is iPhone 16 Pro, and you can add the content also. iPhone 16 Pro related images. Content also same way, meaning you can upload the iPhone 16 Pro images and you can add the iPhone 16 Pro features and all the same content based on the page name. You can able to add the same content to that page. Same content to the page. If you want to add, there is an option, edit option. That is comes under the page editor console. Page editor console. Next up, there is a properties. Properties meaning you will get the information of page title, page information. These all comes under the category of properties. These all comes under the category of properties. Okay. If I open the iPhone 16 Pro and if I go to the properties of that and see here, you will get the information of title, the tags. Okay, these all the if you want to add the date and times, all these all the information about the I would say these all comes up the category I would say properties. Next we have there is a the page pose the page. Next log. So in generally, so in our case, everybody is logging the admin credentials. But in case of in real-time scenarios, every person has the credentials. So if you want to author the data, you can able to log in with your credentials. If you log this page, so in your team nobody cannot edit this page until you unlock the page. Until you unlock the page, nobody cannot nobody cannot edit the page. So that is the option of log. Copy meaning the same page I want to uh, copy and I'm selecting this is the language masters under EN also I want same page, then you can simply paste here. Normal already know copy paste, right? So here also copy means same. You can copy the page wherever you want, you can paste. Next step, there is the option move meaning this is iPhone 16 Pro, right? I want to change to I want to 17 Pro. If you want to change the name of that page and if you want to rename of that page, there is an option that is the move option. So here now what I will do, beside now I want to change the name and I want to I would say I want to change the name. I want to replace, meaning I want to move here to another location. Then there is a option go to move and changing my name. I can mention to 17 Pro and you can see rename. I rename and I want to change the location as well. Click on the next and wherever you want to give that location you have to select. Under this hierarchy, I am selecting this hierarchy and then I am this is also same location, right? I can go select, select this one, go here and then you can select under this one and so that will move from there to here. Okay, now see iPhone 17 is there or no? Yes, yes, right? Yeah. Okay, fine. Next step. Publish. Publish meaning you added some content which are related to the Apple. This is the Apple page. You added some content that you can publish from here to publish instance by using option that is quick publish and manage publications, meaning you want to publish the content at 12 o'clock and there is a manage publications. There itself you can give the date and time. So based on that, our content will be pushed. Later meaning you can give the date and time. So based on that, that content will be pushed. Next, if you want to delete the page, I don't want this page, then how could I delete? So simply you can select that page. There is a three dots. Click on that and then you can delete. You can delete the page. You can delete the page. I hope you guys are clear. What are the options you have? Edit option for properties, lock, copy, move, publish, edit. That one. This is one more option to create the page. Okay. I hope you guys are clear. So the same, the PDF itself, you have the same options actually that we can see one by one as well. Come to here, sites control. Uh, the process is the same. Properties, see here, select that any page and click on the properties tab on the top navigation menu to navigate the properties, page properties control to configure the page level information like title, description. So when you click on the page properties, you will get the title, description, navigation title, etc. So this is the option. Click the page. This is the project hierarchy, and click the page, select the page, and there is the option page properties. There is the option page properties. Okay. Next, next what we have, these are the options: edit, lock, copy. These are the options, delete and all, right? So edit meaning click the edit button to navigate the page editor to add the specific content to the page. Next, lock meaning lock the page with your name to avoid the conflicts other team members cannot modify until you unlock the page. Copy and paste. This is not page. Copy and paste the page to reuse existing content in the new page. Next, relocate or rename the page. Delete the page from the author server. And click to activate publish page from author instance to publish instance. Manage publish can be used to activate or deactivate now or later. I hope this is clear. This is all about sites control. This is the technology available in the sites control. This is clear or anyone have any issue? All of you, can you please see that console? All of you, can you please revise this one? This is clear or not? This is one assignment. So you have to create the pages and you have to use all these options. And you guys should be understood what is the purpose of edit, what is the purpose of create, what is the purpose of properties, what is the purpose of lock, what is the purpose of copy, and what is the purpose of move, what is the purpose of publish, what is the purpose of manage publications, what is the purpose of delete, and these all the options you should be filled up. I hope you guys are clear. This is the console number one. Next, there is other console that is actually page editor. So where you get the page editor console? When you go to that, for example, I am selecting this page. If I reload the page, if I select this user page, what is this? This is called page editor. This is called page editor console. Page editor console. So what can I do this page editor? So here I can able to create one more page under this hierarchy, and I can mention there is a, so when I open this one, what is my page name? iPhone 17. There is no content. I need to add the images which are related to iPhone 17 itself, right? Yes. And what are the options you have actually? What are the loan? I would say, what are the options we have? We will try to understand. When you open the sites control, these are all the options we have. These are all the options we have. See here, this is a site toggle panel. This is the page information. This is the emulator, and this is the page name. This is the page name, and this is the. There are actually in the template we have the concept that is template. In the template there are three options will be there in the template level: edit, structure, initial, and layout. And this is the preview. This is the preview. Okay, so we'll try to understand each options. So first I would like to go to site toggle panel, and this is what iPhone 17, right? I need to add again here we have, there are three options again: effects, components. This is content rate. Now this is iPhone 17, right? I want to add iPhone 17 images. If I want to add the images, then there is a images component. You can add the images component. I added images component, and you can see here content tree also. However, I added the components on the page. It will be stored same way in content tree as well. Okay, I would like to add one more images component. Image. Click on this. If you can see here, if you guys closely observe what I'm saying. However, however I am adding the images on the page. My page name is iPhone 17. However, I am adding same way, similar way, all the components also will be storing under the content tree. Okay. Now I want one more image. So basically, what we are doing, when you click on the this container, uh, click on this, you will get the plus symbol. This is one way to I would say adding the component of the page. There is another way, that is components option. Come to here, look for the image. Look for the image. So see here, coming or not, you can simply drag and drop. So AEM is also called as a drag and drop tool, because of any component you can drag and drop. Any component you can drag and drop. I hope you guys are clear with my statements, right? Any component you can do the drag and drop. Go to the content tree. Here also same. You guys are clear with my statements, what I'm saying. Okay, this option is clear. What is this content tree? What is the purpose of this one? We store all the components whatever we added on the page. So same way it will also store the components. Next, components. Components is the option. You can add the components on the page. So say whatever the component you want, that name coincides with that name. You can that will come. Then you can simply do drag and drop. Drag and drop. Next, there is a assets. Assets meaning images, videos. So that will be available in the assets. And that, for example, this is the image. If you want, you can simply drag and drop. The image will be added. The image will be added. This is the option about toggle side panel. Toggles. Next, page information. Page information meaning these many options will be there in the page information. Rollout meaning open properties meaning. So you know already properties of that page, like I would say uh, title, description, some extra information of the page. Roll out the page. Roll out the page meaning. So that is the same page which is available in other countries as well. For example, I am doing the authoring in the India page. So the same page, all other countries also there. Almost there are 200 countries are Apple website available in. There are almost 200 countries. So do I create all the 200 website the same page? No need. So iPhone 17, I added the content in India page that I can do rollout. The same content I am rollout for all the countries. This is the workflow, and log the page. If I log the page until I am logged, nobody cannot modify the page. Publish the page, unpublish the page, edit template, vs publish, and view in admin and help. These are the options which are available in page information. Okay, and next we have, there is a undo meaning if you made any changes you don't want, then you can do at the undo. This is redo already you know. Back forward. This is the emulator meaning this normally. This is the option you can see in the like how this page is. For example, this is it will come display on this phone like Galaxy 7. You can change to any other phones. Basically, how our page is visible on other devices, you can check that by using emulator. That you can check by using emulator. Okay. Next step. Coming to here, go to emulator, and this you can change to. So this you can change before live. Basically, you can change to this one, iPad and desktop. These are the options. Whatever you select, that so according to that your page will adjust. It is called emulator. Next, before live, you can also verify your the page. So these are the options which are available in consoles.pdf. Now this is also I'm opening. Come to here, page editor, auto edit option, and this is the toggle side panel, and there is a container component. You can add the components, image, however you added that image you can add. Assets icon in the side panel. Drag any image from the assets tab onto the image component. AEM will add the image to page. So these are the options about the available on the page editor. I hope you guys are clear. So these two options you can do as assignment, and that you can upload in the website. We can run tomorrow session. So any other questions? Any guys, any questions?
Krishna, I have a question actually.
Yes, sir. Sure.
Uh, uh, when I tried to open that site from AEM, uh, it was not opening, Krishna, actually.
Hello.
Hello, Krishna, is it audible?
Yes.
When I tried to open that other instance, their sites is not opening, Krishna. Sites.
When
Can I?
you click on the jar, this is the setup guide AEM,
Yes, yes.
and
Can I share
the
my screen,
folder.
Krishna?
Go inside, click on this one. This will be
Yes.
automatically generated, and you will open this main. I would say localhost. Uh, this navigation. This is the initial navigation. This will open.
Yes, Krishna. Till now, uh, up to now it was opening, Krishna. Then after I opened that site, it was not opening. Like it was showing some error after opening that site. Can I share my screen once?
Yeah, yeah.
Uh, is it visible, Krishna? Hello.
Yeah, yeah. Please go ahead, Darshan.
Actually, here all those documents I downloaded, which you share.
Mm-hmm.
Then after opening here like
Mm-hmm.
this,
Mm-hmm.
it was showing like this. After I clicking that site, it was showing like this, Krishna. Some error. I don't know what
In
it
this
is.
case, can you check your JDK version?
Yes, yes, Krishna. I already checked. It was 11 version.
Normally, can you check right now?
Okay, Krishna.
Open CMD. In your case, that AEM instance is not installed properly.
I tried 3 to 4
Uh,
times, Krishna. Actually,
you have to do go to that I would say AEM folder.
yes, Krishna.
Look for the file explorer options. No, no, one second. File explorer options in the search bar. Not there.
Where, Krishna?
Down you have the Windows symbol beside.
I didn't get you, Krishna. Actually,
Windows symbol. Windows.
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 Here,
There is a Windows symbol.
here.
Uh,
Uh,
Look for file explorer options.
uh, yes,
File
Krishna.
explorer options. Press
Yes,
Windows button.
yeah.
Look for file explorer options. File explorer options. Type file explorer options. Uh, Open that one. Go to view.
Krishna.
View.
Go to.
There
Okay.
are three tabs: General, View, and Search. Go to View tab.
Yes, Krishna.
Hide extensions for known file types. You can uncheck.
This one.
Yes. Uncheck. Apply. Okay. Click on OK. Okay. Click on OK. Now go to AIM folder.
First,
That
can I open
jar you have to rename.
this one?
Mm. That quick start you can remove. Delete that one. Quick start also delete. Delete. Delete and then you can reopen. Remove the rename the dot jar and then you can try with that one. Okay, then your problem
Okay.
will solve. Okay, if not, you can ping me. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So others have any other questions? Okay, fine. I'm taking attendance. You guys please be respond.